Imagine a world where the grand tapestry of technology is woven with threads of artificial intelligence. It's captivating to think that the global AI market is set to reach a staggering $267 billion by 2027. This remarkable growth signifies its importance across various fields. But could this rapid expansion mean that businesses must quickly adapt to these AI technologies? What might be at stake if they do not? Now, despite some concerns about job loss due to AI's rise, a curious truth unfolds. This advanced technology is, in fact, creating a multitude of job opportunities in every industry. You see, every AI system still relies on human oversight. Could it be that the demand for skilled workers remains stronger than ever, despite the technological shifts? As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, it becomes clear that it can be categorized into three fascinating types: weak AI, general AI, and super AI. Weak AI, which we encounter in our daily lives, is a common feature today. Yet, the more advanced general and super AI still linger on the edges of research, waiting for the right moment to emerge. What potential do these theoretical concepts hold for our future? Furthermore, the influence of AI continues to expand in critical areas such as healthcare. Imagine a technology that assists in identifying diseases and supports healthcare professionals in making informed treatment decisions. This transformation not only benefits providers but also has a profound impact on patients. Could this be the key to achieving better health outcomes? Looking ahead, the evolving landscape of AI is set to reshape consumer markets significantly. It's intriguing to think about how this technology will influence web development and provide expert advice through virtual assistants like chatbots. How will this not only enhance our interactions but also improve our overall user experience? Finally, consider this: artificial intelligence is anticipated to affect around 60% of firms across various sectors. This powerful force is driving innovations in smart devices, autonomous vehicles, and other incredible technologies that enrich our daily lives. What exciting advancements might lay just around the corner?